Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to your mathematics class, and today we are going to learn multiplication up to 3 digits. First we will take a start multiplying by 1 digit, then we'll move towards multiplying by 2 digits, and then we will in the end do multiplication by 3 digits. Okay, so multiply by 1 digits, so 234. I'm going to multiply this with 5. So how we are going to do this? First, you are going to write it like this. Then this 5 will be separately multiplied with 4, then with 3, and then with 2. Let's see how. So 5 4 are 20. I got a double number. 5 4 are 20. How I'm going to write this? Whenever you have a double number in multiplication, you always write whatever is at one's place here. Okay? So here we have at one's place 0, so you will write it here, and then whatever is at tens place is carried away to the next number. So at tens place I have 2, so 2 is carried right above 3. The next step will be to multiply 5 with 3. So 5 times 3 is 15, but I'm not going to write 15 because I have to add a carry number. So in carry I have 2, so 15 plus 2 is 17. Now this 17 I'm going to write. How? Whatever is at one's place, remember, you're going to write it here, which is 7, and whatever is in one's place will be carried away to the next number. So at one's place I have 1. Now the next number is 2. So 5 times 2 is 10, and with above 10 I have 1 as in carry, so 10 plus 1 is 11. Now ideally I should write 1 next to 7 and 1 should be carried, but I don't have any number to which I carry that 1. So when such is the case, you don't have any number to carry, you write it as it is whole. You write it whole. So 234 when multiplied with 5, you get 1170. Coming towards multiplying by 2 digits. Now the same number, this time I will multiply with 2 digits. So 234 will be multiplied with 25. So 234 to 25. Now this 25 will be treated as separately. Okay, so 5 will be multiplied with 4, 5 will be multiplied with 3, and 5 will be multiplied with 2. Then 2 will be multiplied with 4, 2 will be multiplied with 3, and 2 will be multiplied with 2. Let's see. 5 4 are 20. Just in the way we have discussed that whatever is at one's place will come here, so it's 0 and 2 will be carried away. Then 5 3 are 15. 15 plus 2, we add the carry, it's 17. So 7 will come here and 1 will be carried right above the 2. Then 5 2 are 10, and by adding 1 it will become 11. This is very simple, and we have just done it with the multiplying by 1 digit method. Now the trick comes here. What should we do now? We are going to start the multiplication of 2, but before starting it, we are going to put 1 cross here. Why 1 cross here? Because we are going to start the multiplication of 2, and 2 is at a place value of tens, and in tens we have 1 0. So according to 0 you have to put the crosses or 0. So you have 1 0, you put 1 cross, and now you can start the multiplication of 2. So 2 4 are 8, write 8, 2 3 are 6, you wrote 6, 2 2 are 4, it's 4. When you are done with the multiplication, the very last step is addition. You have to add all these numbers. So 0 plus cross, of course cross means 0 here. So 0 plus 0 is 0. 8 plus 7 is 15. 1 will be carried away. So 6 plus 1 and plus 1 carry. You have 8, and then 4 plus 1 is 5. So 234 when multiplied with 25, you get 5850. Now coming towards multiplication by 3 digits. Now the same number 235 will be multiplied with 3 digits. 625. So the first two steps remain the same, and we will discuss what comes in the third step. So 5 will be multiplied with 4. 5 will be first, of course, 5 will be multiplied with 4. So 5 4 are 20. As we know, whatever is at one's place will come here, and 2 will be carried away. Then 5 3 are 15. 15 plus 2 is 17. 7 will you write here, and 1 will be carried away. Then 5 2 are 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. 11 you will write whole because you don't have any number to carry 1. Then it's the turn of 2, and you have to do the same for the digit 2 as well, but before that you have to put a cross. Then 2 4 are 8. Then 2 3 are 6, and 2 2 are 4. Done. Now comes the number of 6. Remember, I've told you when we were multiplying 2 that you have to put one cross because 2 is a place value of tens, and in tens we have 1 0, so you put one cross. Now see, where is 6? 6 is at place value of 100. So how many zeros do we have in 100? 2. So we are going to put 2 crosses, and then we will start multiplication of 6. So 6 4 are 24. The rule is same. You will only write 4 here, and 2 will be carried away. Then 6 3 are 18, and 18 plus 2 is 20. You will only write 0, and 2 will be carried away. Then 6 2 are 12, and 12 plus 2 is 14. Since you don't have any number to carry that one, so you will write 14 as it is. When you are done with all the digits, you are going to draw a line and add them up. So 0, 7 plus 8 is 15. You are going to write 5 here, and 1 will be carried. And then 1 plus 1 is 2, plus 6 is 8, plus 4 is 12. So 2 is here, 1 is carried. 1 plus 1 is 2, and plus 4 is 6. And 4, you don't have any number above 14, so you write 14 as it is. So this was multiplication up to 1 digit, 2 digits, and 3 digits. Hope you'll like the video. Thanks for watching.